Warbles on a lot to YouTube. Armidale Airshow. And vintage car exhibition. 14th of November. According to the weather forecast, it's currently raining. In actual fact, here we are, having fun. And we will see what transpires. I'll leave this thing on pause in my pocket and see how long a video I can make. It's currently 5 to 9. And there is smoke coming from the chimney of the traction engine, or stationary engine. No, it's a traction engine. Woohoo! Jet Ranger. Robinson R22. A pink Iroquois. It's either a Harvard or a T6 Texan. A Stearman. The Haviland Beaver. And a Cirrus-Moth. And between the Stearman and the Harvard, or whatever it is, there's something over there with folded wings in US Navy markings. We think it might be a Wildcat, but we were not aware that one was in Australia. Let's call it a Harvard. I may be wrong. It's a lovely Stearman. Very, very shiny. I've never seen a beaver quite so clean either. Over there we have a yak. Aircraft handling, old style.
About that high, but I vaguely remember.
Yeah, well, you've never flown in a biplane, Elizabeth. Not too certain. I think that's a Skyfox. Whatever it is, its tyres like to go flying and they have a small vestigial aeroplane attached. And when this thing opens the taps, it should be interesting. Stall. It's a something super stall. Here we have a tank. It goes, Memo Sabi, it goes. And the tank's just about stopped blowing smoke. Gets around pretty quick. Okay, YouTube. I've managed to secure Carolyn Salter to talk to us. Tell us a little bit about the aeroplane, Carolyn.
Well, it's a 1925 Gypsy Moth. It, I think, was 12th off the production line in England. It's the second oldest Gypsy Moth in the world. The oldest one's at the Shuttleworth collection in England. It first flew, it was the first Gypsy Moth to come to Australia. It was put on the register on the 5th of November 1925 and first flew on the 28th of November 1925. So it's having its 90th birthday this month.
That's excellent. Thank you very much.
It's a pleasure. It's
a lovely old aeroplane. Absolutely beautiful. Even if it has got a hybrid Gypsy Major engine in it, it works. That's the main thing.
That's it. It works well.
Yeah.
And it's still got a skid, so it's nearly basic, remote basic.
Yeah, absolutely. It's as close to original as you can get. And the sound of round is drowning us out, so I'll just pause the video. Here endeth the first movie, which has taken about an hour.